Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you the Affiliate Access feature. What does this feature do? The Affiliate Access feature allows you to have full control whether you want your affiliates to be able to view their referrals client tracking portal. Meaning to say, you could turn on and off the capability of your affiliate to see the progress of their referrals dispute process. So let me show you where you could go ahead and turn on and off this feature. From the dashboard, just click on Affiliate at the top and then choose Affiliates from the drop-down menu. And there are two ways, once you are inside the Manage Affiliate screen, two ways of turning on and off this feature. One is when you are adding a new affiliate in and then you click on the Add New icon. So once you place in the new affiliate's information right here, you would have access to turn on and off the Access Client Tracking portal. Now, by default, it is currently turned on. So if you add your affiliate's information and without making any changes into this section, you hit on Create, automatically the affiliate that you have added will have access to view their referrals client tracking portal. So if you go ahead and turn this off and then you hit Create, they won't have access to view it. Now, another way of turning on and off this feature, let's say you have added the affiliate in, and automatically by default it's turned on, and you want to go ahead and turn it off. All you have to do is look up the affiliate from the from the grid, and then under the action section, click onto the pencil icon. And directly from here, you would have the option to go ahead and turn off the Access Client Tracking portal. So you could just toggle from on to off and then click on Save. So before we go ahead and make any changes, let's leave this turned on and let me go ahead and show you where to view it or how they could see it and how it would affect their affiliate portal. So let's go into the affiliate portal. This is me logged in as one of the affiliates in the software. And as an affiliate, I would have access to view and keep track of my referrals. So once I click on through the referral section, I'll be able to see all of my referrals into the grid. I'll be able to see their status. And if I have the access to view the client tracking portal, if I hover my mouse into any of the referrals that's already active, I'll be able to view their client tracking portal. Now take note that this client tracking portal access is only provided when the referral is already an active client in the software. Meaning to say, if the affiliate sends you a referral, then eventually you converted that referral from a lead to becoming an active paying client of yours, then the affiliate would now gain access to view the client tracking portal. Now again, if you have it turned on, all they have to do under the referral section, they could simply click onto the referral's name and it would route them to the affiliates or the client's client tracking portal, meaning to say this affiliate would be able to view any progress for their referrals. They'll be able to keep track of the score improvement for the specific referral. They'll be able to see what's in dispute currently. They'll also be able to see the letters for the tracking, and they'll be able to see the tracking for the bureaus as well. So let's say we're going to be turning off the access for this affiliate. So right now the affiliate has an access. So let's go back to the software and let's go ahead and click onto the edit icon for the same affiliate. And we're going to be turning off the feature because we don't want Lydia to be able to see or keep track of the progress. So let's hit on Save. Make sure to go ahead and click onto the Save icon whenever you make any changes. Now, once we go back to the affiliate portal dashboard and let's view the referrals, this is now again Lydia has the affiliate access feature turned off. So once we hover our mouse to the referrals name that are active, the affiliate would no longer be able to view the client tracking portal or will not be able to see the progress of their referrals. They'll still be able to see the status of the referrals as the referrals become an active, a lead, a no portal. They'll still be able to see that and keep track, but they would no longer be able to view the client tracking portal or the dispute process progress. So you can, again, make changes anytime. Just go to the edit icon under the action section for the affiliates to turn on and off any of the access for the client tracking portal. So that would complete our quick training tutorial for the affiliate access feature.